Okay, so, and what you should be seeing right now is an estimate.
Yeah, we can see it.
Yep. Okay. So I already created an estimate with a few options. I put some line items in here. So I have like the basic estimate already created. I have 3 options right now in this estimate. And yeah, maybe just quick word about using estimate options. You can always add more than 1 option to your estimate. This is something that we highly recommend to allow your customer to have more choices that they can choose from. So this is what I did for this estimate. I created 3 different estimate options, and this is like the basic layer, so the basic content that I have added. And right now I'm going to click the send button to create a proposal out of this estimate. And here is what you can see that is new. Or some of you should already have access to this feature. We have this layout control on the left. What it means is that if you have access to Save Proposal tool, you can choose from 3 different layouts. I will briefly go over the simple layout because this is the layout this is the only layout that is not really a proposal. This is something that we have if you don't really want to have any pictures or like sales descriptions of options added to your estimate. If you want to have just plain estimate without any pictures and descriptions, you can use the simple layout and send this estimate in like a regular view. However, if you would like to boost the sales, we highly encourage you to use the side-by-side or the stacked layout and create a proposal. To create a proposal, this is a very simple process. I will first create this from scratch, and then I will show you how to use templates. Basically, what is a proposal is like an additional presentation layer that we build by adding some images and descriptions of options. I have some images already selected on my computer. I can upload them. I also have some copy already created. So this process of creating a proposal layer is basically means that I'm adding pictures. I'm adding some good descriptions that the customer can use to actually understand what is the content of an option. I can also rename the option. So in my case, in this use case, I would like to present like a standard good, better, best proposal. So this is what I can do. I can just rename this option 1 to a good one. And I will just go ahead and add a picture to the second option. I can save this. Again, I have some copy already created. So I can use this description field to add the copy that is a description of the second option. I will rename it to a better option. And finally, I'm going to do the same with the third option. I'm going to save the picture. Obviously, this is kind of like a dummy data for now, but okay, best one. And yes, what I basically did right now, this is like this presentation layer that changed this estimate from like the regular estimate, it changed to a proposal estimate. I mentioned at the beginning that we have 3 different layouts. The first layout, the simple one, is if you don't really want to use any proposal presentation layer. We have the side-by-side layout as well, and this is actually the perfect fit if you have like a classic good, better, best, because this is a layout where the customer could have like this side-by-side comparison of all options, and they can quite easily choose which option they think is best for them. We also have a stacked layout. That is a new layout that the customer, you can also choose this layout to present options in a like this stacked way. And this is really it when it comes to creating a proposal from scratch.